Hi guys, welcome back, and this week we're going to be doing the review on the Destiny Fat Burner by Muscle Nation. Now this has been such a long time coming the last couple of weeks, that's for sure. It has been probably one of the most biggest fat burners that I've been asked for and asked about since I've been, in the industry. So what we're going to do, as always, is we'll go through. We'll, basically go over what's in it, what it does, why you'd use it, how it tastes, how it mixes, and then we'll give it a rating out of 10. So let's get into it. So I guess really a lot of people take fat burners to lose weight, correct? I mean, that's why I guess they were invented. Me personally, I'm at a pretty steady weight, so I tend to take them just for their caffeine ratios in them. I do enjoy a bit of a pick-me-up instead of a morning coffee, so that's why I tend to take a fat burner. Just, I like what's in them. So the reason why I personally have been taking Destiny for a couple of weeks now, and I love it, is because of the nootropic factor in it. So nootropics are a supplement or drugs. I don't like using the word drugs, but it is a drug or a supplement, basically, that is going to work on the brain by having an effect of giving it quite euphoria, focus, clarity, all of that sort of real switched on, let's get going. So I take it personally in the morning just to really get me going for the day, get all my stuff sorted. I like taking it before I have uni lectures and things like that, or, if you've got some important meeting, or, there's so many good things about having the nootropic factor in a supplement that you take. So yeah, it's hard to explain what it feels like until you've tried it, but yeah, you'll just all of a sudden be like, wow, I am getting shit done, like crazy. Muscle Nation started off with their Power range, which is, let's face it, so successful in the industry, it's amazing. And now they've branched out into supplementation for us and for you guys. So when it comes to packaging, I think, yep, nailed it. There's nothing really wrong there. It's 50 scoops, okay? I'm only taking half a scoop because, to be honest, a full scoop for me, like, I sweat ridiculously. So it's 50 scoops, or in my case, 100 scoops, which is awesome value for money. Like, that's a lot. Most of them are like 30 scoops, so it's like a month's worth. It's gonna last you forever. So we've got the acetyl L-carnitine, which is especially good for brain function as well as burning fat and opening up the cells. That way you're using your fat as energy instead of other sources as well. You've got lean GBB in there as well. Like, that's another really quite relatively new-ish like burns fat as energy component that's not on the market. It's been around for a while, but people are really starting to put them in fat burners now. We've got the Capsimax, which activates metabolism as well, and it does have a thermogenesis effect to it as well. What else have we got in here? The Coleus for Scoli. Oh god. Which is just, it stimulates fat enzymes. Clean energy. Okay. Natural diuretics, this bad boy here. So dandelion root is really, really good. You can actually get it in a tea form as well, and it's so good if you're trying to cut down on some water weight as a natural diuretic. I say natural diuretic. I know there is diuretics on the market that are a lot more intense for you, but these are natural, so anyone can take them and not have side effects. We've got horsetail herb and juniper berry. So really, really good if you're female. Hold on a lot of water around the hormonal time of the month as well. If you've been eating sodium-rich foods and so you're holding more water than you normally would and not looking as, I guess, skinny, lean, or amazing as you normally would. So yeah, they're really, really good natural ways to shift some of the water. Your body consists of 60% water, okay? So basically that's very important to have water, but excess water is not something that you really need or want within the body anyway. We've got some appetite suppressants in there. Well, why would you take appetite suppressants? Too much for me personally, but I know a lot of people do like certain appetite suppressants in their supplementation. Me personally, I'm just a really hungry person all the time, and ain't nothing gonna stop that. And we've got the nootropics, so the alpha GPC, velvet bean, lion's mane, iodine, caffeine, dynamite, tyrosine. Tyrosine is such a good one for mood enhancement. Like, it's amazing. Me personally, if I was ever going to buy a fat burner, the first thing I'd be looking for is tyrosine. Like, we all know they're going to have L-carnitine in them. Look for tyrosine. It's so good. Lion's mane, iodine, like, there's so many weird things in this thing. It's quite a concoction. The reason why I do like the iodine as well is because iodine is really good for thyroid function. So if you have a slow thyroid or it's normal, but you know, you're just looking for a healthy thyroid, iodine is key when it comes to thyroid. So I really like that it's got iodine in there as well, because I have a slow thyroid. So to me, anything with iodine is going to be really, really good for my thyroid. Plus I add iodized salt to a lot of meals and things like that. So yeah, that's really good for me. Okay, so next let's open it up and have a look what's inside. Scoop size. Oh, I'm really spilling this everywhere. Okay, so yeah, it's not huge or anything, which is good, because there's nothing worse than when you've got to drink like a ridiculous amount. Let me just grab my... Okay, so the flavour I have is rainbow sherbet. It comes in rainbow sherbet, peach, sunrise I think it is, bubblegum grape, and then I think that's it. I'm not 100% sure, but have a look on our website and it'll tell you. But this one's rainbow sherbet, so. Okay. Taste-wise, it's not the best I've had on taste, but it's definitely not the worst, that's for sure. Not to mention, I'm not going to mention any names on some of the worst ones I've had. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that little recap of the Destiny Fat Burner by Muscle Nation. As always, if you are looking to try this and you're in Australia, head over to our website, which I'll drop down below, which is www.vfsupplements.com.au, and just, I personally think that majority of people that are going to try this are going to love it and buy it again. I really am enjoying taking it every day. It's definitely something that's going to be in my supplements cupboard for quite a while, I feel. And yeah, I really think that Muscle Nation have really nailed this fat burner, especially for a first time go with getting into the supplement industry. So thumbs up to you guys. So now it is time for me to rate it out of 10. So, drum roll, I give this an 8.5 out of 10. So well done, Muscle Nation. I'm definitely a fan of it, and I definitely am going to be recommending this to you guys to give it a try. So next week I will be doing the Legacy, which is the pre-workout by Muscle Nation. So make sure you guys hit subscribe, keep an eye out for that one, throw it a thumbs up as always, and we will see you next time. Bye!